for AirPods, apparently the biz of the trend, as the kids say.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House in conjunction with NASA. It was confirmed that a meteor measuring 2.5 miles in diameter is heading directly for Earth. Given the size of this meteor, the death toll of this event will likely be in the billions. Citizens everywhere are advised to seek an underground fallout shelter immediately. Bring all necessities such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. NASA is currently working on a plan to prevent this, but it is not guaranteed that this plan will be effective. All regular programming across the globe is being discontinued for the time being. The President or representative of the President will be speaking on all stations at 11:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stay tuned for more information. You are watching the Emergency Alert System Details channel, where you will get all updates on alerts issued for your area. Current warnings in effect for your area. Emergency action notification. The message was broadcasted at 9:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on February 25th, 2023. The activation of this alert was requested by the White House and NASA regarding a 2.5-mile-wide meteor heading in the direction of Earth. A message from the President will be broadcast in exactly 20 minutes and 43 seconds. More information and updates to this message have yet to be provided to the public, but they will be sent out before 11:59 p.m. tomorrow. From the United States President regarding the recently discovered 2.5-mile-wide meteor, now classified as Meteor-X, that is on a direct collision course with Earth. Do not turn on your device. Please listen.
My fellow Americans, a meteor has been discovered on a direct collision course with Earth. Yeah, millions, possibly billions of people will die. But don't think of it as a doomsday event. Earth will live on. This is not the end of the world. Yes, it will destroy a lot, and it will terrorize humanity, but that does not mean...
We interrupt this message with important information. Do not turn on your device. The 2.5-mile-wide meteor, now classified as Meteor-X, was found to contain high levels of uranium, an extremely radioactive element that is toxic enough to kill someone. Citizens are required to stay in their fallout shelters until an all-clear is given by the proper authorities. If anyone without authorization is observed outdoors, they will be arrested and possibly shot. Meteor-X will wipe out possibly 1/3 of the human population. NASA is currently in the process of deploying 15 atomic warheads to be launched at the meteor in hopes of destroying it. However, it is entirely possible that the warheads will not be effective against the missiles. NASA has stated that humanity should prepare for a near-extinction level event. Further information will be provided by 11:59 p.m. tomorrow.
Meteor-X, that is on a direct collision course with Earth, has been causing weather disturbances around the planet. Meteorologists have predicted that tomorrow will bring temperatures of up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Residents in the Los Angeles metropolitan area should keep cool by turning the air conditioning to the lowest temperature possible, and always keep a cool water supply near you. Check NOAA Weather Radio for more info.
Activating System Protocol 75AB. Please enter verification code for missile launch. Processing. Verification code accepted. Launching interstellar missiles in T-20 seconds.
Alert! Alert! Missile guidance systems have failed. They are now heading back towards Earth. Locations affected: Houston, United States; London, United Kingdom; Pyongyang, North Korea; Paris, France. Prepare for impact.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. Following message is transmitted at the request of NASA. They recently attempted to launch several missiles at Meteor-X, but the guidance systems failed. The missiles are now headed back to Earth's atmosphere, and the following cities will be impacted: Houston, London, Pyongyang, Toronto, Moscow, and Paris. Seek a fallout shelter if you have not already.
Encrypted signal detected. Decrypting signal. Audio file 78A message.mp3 was found. Playing audio file.
We are Guardians, one of the most powerful groups in the universe. We are not only human, but various other species from different planets, different galaxies too. Do not underestimate our power, because we were the ones who sent Meteor-X to you. You will soon realize that we are the rightful leaders of infinite space and everything